Planning of Cendrawasih Sky Bridge, planned by Alvin Maulana Yahya. The Cendrawasih Sky Bridge is an alternative infrastructure for the visitor to the shopping area to move from the main building to another building. This bridge helps mobilize visitors who are above the ground floor, namely the second floor or above, to be able to move to other buildings without having to go through to the ground floor again, which takes quite a lot of minutes. This bridge is planned for June 14, 20 and 24 and will continue to be developed in future. This bridge was designed and categorized as an urban bridge, where bridges of this type are often found in densely populated areas such as urban areas. This bridge has many functions for the pedestrian. Let's take an example from the city of Jakarta, where there are various types of pedestrian bridge or sky bridge, starting from connecting shopping center, connecting between public transportation, and as a public crossing too. This sky bridge plan use the SketchUp 20 and 24 version. This application as 3D modeling consists of various modeling from such as curve, straight, and others. The Cendrawasih Sky Bridge is unique in terms of design, which use a curved shape on the outer layer of the bridge and an elongated shape that twists and turns, not straight like the most bridge. Next is the problem at Cendrawasih Sky Bridge. The problem with shopping center is the complexity of access to move to another building if you want to change shopping location. Usually, visitors who are on the second floor or above have to go down ground floor first using an elevator or escalator to be able to move to another building. Of course, this will take a lot of money to mobilize. Therefore, it is planned to build the Cendrawasih Sky Bridge, which will help mobilize visitors who are on the second floor or above to be able to move to other buildings without having to go through the ground floor first as when they first arrive. This bridge is planned to be installed on the third floor for each building to support the mobility of passing visitors. The bridge, which is long, twisting shape, was chosen because it adapts to the position of the walls of each building, which are not perpendicular but curved slightly. Therefore, this twisting design was created. Unique things about Cendrawasih Sky Bridge. This design of the Cendrawasih Sky Bridge is very interesting. The view tends to be similar to the letter S because its elongated shapes is curved and not straight like a conventional bridge. Plus, this bridge doesn't use pillars in the middle of its span. It doesn't stop here. The design of this bridge also uses wood material for the barriers. It's not straight but curved, which requires special skill in its manufacture. Then a design philosophy of the Cendrawasih Sky Bridge. The name Cendrawasih was taken because the curved shape of this bridge is very beautiful, like the tail of the Cendrawasih bird. The curved design of the Cendrawasih Sky Bridge was chosen because curves have a close meaning to unity, flexibility, and integrity. This is in accordance with the function of the bridge itself, namely connecting to separated places. The meaning of flexibility is also accordance with the appearance of the bridge, which doesn't have conventional straight shape, so it appears different from other general bridge. Next is technical design and issues on Cendrawasih Sky Bridge. The wooden material on the outside of the bridge also has meaning. The wooden accent adds an elegant, natural, and calming impression to pedestrians passing by. Additionally, the design doesn't stick together between one piece of wood and another. This can provide airflow, which makes pedestrians more comfortable when using the bridge. The floor is made from the mixture of steel frame at the bottom and the wood on the surface. This bridge is planned for pedestrian mobilization only because the loading on this bridge only considers the pedestrian aspect and the weight of this bridge itself. So goods trains are not allowed to cross the bridge. During its construction, there were several problems, like the crowd of shopping center visitors, especially on holiday. Apart from that, it is also quite difficult to mobilize heavy equipment to reach this area because the area tends to be crowded and busy. The solution to the problem found is in the form of closing part of the shopping center access in the development area. Officers were also stationed in the field during construction to prevent visitors from passing through areas that were prohibited to the public. Work is also carried as much as possible at night when shopping centers are closed and there are no visitors. That's the explanation of the planning of the Cendrawasih Sky Bridge. See you soon and thank you.